the Winter Fair virtual food hall this year, there are over 40 Welsh food and drink producers, and we've made a selection of hampers for you to give as gifts to your loved ones. Yn y neuadd Bwyd rithiol ar gyfer y Ffair Aeaef eleni, mae dros 100 o gynhyrchwyr Bwyd yn arddangos ble llwch chi fynd ati i brynu'r cynnyrch yn uniongyrchol o'i gwefannau nhw. A mae dyn ni fan hyn detholiad o hamperi a syniadau i chi roi fel anrhegion. Mae bocs o ddanteithion melys i chi. Here's a box of sweet treats for Christmas. Gyda gwahanol gwmnioedd, mae dyn ni sugar a spice fan hyn o Llanrwst, gyda mince pies, cacen Nadolig, pudding Nadolig, so sugar and spice from Llanrwst, with their walnut crumble mince pies, some Florentines, iced Christmas cake and Christmas puddings, Sarah Bunton o Aberystwyth, Sarah Bunton from Aberystwyth. They've got this lovely chocolate stirrer with Father Christmas on, and their new packaging of fudge. Then we've got plenty of lovely preserves from Welsh Lady Preserves here. Digon o jams o bob math o gwmni Pwllheli Welsh Lady. Joiwch!